Did you know that a staggering 70% of art supplies are actually unnecessary? Yup, that's right. With all the flashy products out there, it's easy to get caught up in buying things you don't really need. So, let's help you clear that clutter and focus on what truly matters. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the must-have art supplies for beginners. If you're looking to unleash your creativity in 2024, having the right tools can make all the difference. Let's get started and find out what you really need to kick off your artistic journey. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, here's the deal. When you first step into the world of art supplies, it can feel like a whirlwind of choices. You've got paints, brushes, papers, and a million other things staring back at you from the shelves. It's super overwhelming, right? And let's not even talk about the budget. As a beginner, you want to invest in what's essential, but how do you know what's essential? Many artists end up buying a ton of supplies they never use, which can be both frustrating and a little heavy on the wallet. So, how do we solve this puzzle? Let's break it down. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the essential art supplies every beginner should have. First up, we have sketchbooks. They're your best friend for practicing and jotting down ideas. A good sketchbook allows you to experiment without the pressure of perfection. Next, we have a quality set of pencils. You don't need anything fancy, just a range of hardness, from HB to 6B, will do. These are perfect for sketching and shading. Now, let's talk about paints. Whether you choose watercolor, acrylic, or gouache, pick one medium to start with. Acrylics are super versatile, and they dry fast, which is great for beginners. And don't forget about brushes. A few different sizes will help you tackle various styles and techniques. Lastly, a palette for mixing colors is essential. It's where the magic happens. With these supplies, you'll have everything you need to start creating amazing artwork. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the fun part. I'm about to reveal the top 3 game-changing supplies that can truly elevate your art experience. First, a good set of watercolors. They're perfect for beginners and can create stunning effects with minimal effort. Second, a blending stump. This little tool can take your pencil drawings to the next level by giving them a smooth finish that looks professional. And finally, a lightbox. This nifty gadget allows you to trace and layer your drawings, making it easier to refine your skills and try new techniques without the stress of starting from scratch. Trust me, these 3 supplies can change the game for you. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, we've covered the must-have art supplies, sketchbooks, pencils, your choice of paint, brushes, a palette, and we highlighted the top 3 game changers, watercolors, a blending stump, and a lightbox. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to unleash your creativity and explore your artistic side in 2024. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite art supplies? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you're interested in leveling up your skills, don't forget to check out my next video where we dive into advanced techniques for beginners. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!